Hey everyone, just wanted to give a shout out to this new shop I'm going to. It's really good, top-notch mechanic. Gonna introduce you to him.
How do you work this thing?
He's good, he's good, don't worry. Alright, so Leroy told me I have to go from above.
Alright, no, not this high.
Well, you said it's always like
okay, yeah, it's always under.
Alright.
So I was level it.
So,
okay.
Well, what are we doing today?
So
what are you doing today? I'm gonna watch. No, I'm gonna help.
Today I am Larry. Instead of Leroy.
Shout out to Wolf Service Center. That's where we used to go, but they're sponsoring us.
Yeah, but first a quick word from our sponsor.
Raid Shadow Legends.
So yeah,
Larry retired. It's not like any reason we left. That's why.
Yes. Okay. So we are doing an oil change now. Well, I'm doing the oil change because I'm the mechanic here.
The master mechanic.
The master mechanic. So yeah, you'll be watching that. So yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't already.
But you should. I'm sure you have already.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna get into that. But first, we have to do one thing. And that's better. Now we're ready to roll.
So we're getting everything set up, putting this thing here.
Again, if you haven't seen our previous one, this is the filter. And this is the Ford manual recommended.
Quality stuff.
Yep.
All right, so now we're gonna get started. What do we do first, Chip?
You got to take the oil out of the vehicle.
Okay, so we use this mechanism, right?
This mechanism to catch the oil that will be coming out of the vehicle.
All right, so Chip, hold this while mechanic Leroy gets that started.
Is mechanic Leroy gonna hit his head again?
Probably. Okay, so what do I do?
I feel like this is a team effort. I feel like this is to make sure everything goes swimmingly.
Okay, so mechanic Leroy will hold the camera.
Because I'm in training.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
we are now under the car.
Really?
I'm Captain Obvious.
Yes.
Actually, let's lower this a little
Is this a good angle?
I don't know. You should ask one of those Instagram girls. So now, if you want to come around, there is no drain bolt on these cars. It's this plastic.
Wait, your hand's
so you
covering.
have to twist.
Okay.
But it's kind of annoying because it locks in place. So you kind of have to like lift the tabs a little bit. I've found it doesn't just want to twist off. So I'm gonna go get something to lift it. You know what? Let's eliminate that problem and slide that out of here. I'm gonna go get a pick so we can do that.
Somehow I feel like this is gonna get all over me, but at least I'm prepared.
These are known for breaking, which would be bad, but I do have a spare.
Ow.
You hit your head again?
Yeah, one of these screws up here.
Okay, so I just pulled down and lifted up a little just
now
to get
you pull
it started.
it out?
Yep.
All right.
Wait, it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, I feel it hot.
So, do you want me to do it?
Well,
So you'll get burned?
is it gonna
I'm
burn
get a
me?
towel. It's gonna be warm. That's the ambulance coming to get us. They already know.
All right. Well, since Chip's in training, he's gonna pull it out.
Ow!
Sorry.
Leroy hit my head into the thing because I was making jokes. Oh, you know what the other problem is?
What's your head?
This car, it's so much damn oil that it fills the container faster.
Then it can drain.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Ready, set, go.
It almost just went in my mouth.
Mmm, tasty.
What did he say?
Now, while that's gonna continue to drip. Oh God! All right, let's open that small trap door and see what we're working with.
What trapdoor?
I don't know what size socket it is, but let's see. Let's try 7. This right here.
Oh, we have to
First
open that?
try. Yeah.
Okay.
And you have the drain plug?
Yes. I feel like I should be wearing safety glasses.
Yeah. Safety, safety, safety.
Safety first.
Alright,
Oh,
you're the
see,
OSHA.
something just flew. It could have
You're the
went right.
OSHA certified one, not me.
It could have went right into my eye.
It could have, but it didn't. Ugh. Alright. Come on out.
Okay.
Put the... Give me a drain.
Fans like to see close-ups.
Do the fans? Is that what the fans want?
Yes.
Probably close-ups of these, not me.
I don't think so. All right, so what's next?
Next we gotta take, so if you get in the camera here. See the oil filter? Right there.
Nope. Ouch. Oh, that white thing?
That white thing.
All right.
We gotta take that out.
So this is gonna be Lee's job.
I don't know, this might be a team effort here.
Okay, so is anything gonna fall out?
Oil.
More oil?
More oil? It's messy, Leroy. So if we look, you can actually see the filter there. Alright, so we cracked it, it's loose. So now, we just gotta wait because this is still dripping. So, you gotta wait. I like your outfit.
Thank you.
It's good.
Maybe you could get one of your own one day once you're done with training.
Hey, you're not letting me take any shortcuts.
Nope.
I guess that's how you become the best. You don't want it easy. Alright, we're gonna switch gears. Probably be wearing some oil here.
Oh, I see it all the way up there.
Alright.
Does a lot come out? Oh, God.
That answer your question?
Good thing Chip did that one.
Lucky Chip.
But don't worry, once you get your
Want a paper
outfit,
towel?
it won't be as bad.
Right
Oh. All right, so what's next?
So now we gotta put the new filter on.
All right, I'll do that part.
Oh, Leroy gets to do the cleaning parts.
Well, when you're a seasoned professional, you don't have to do the dirty work. Okay, I'll go get the clean filter while you continue to do that. All right. Oops, sorry for all these crazy camera angles. You're really just coming along for the real experience. Here, do you want to hold the camera?
Well, my hands are covered in oil.
Oh, okay.
So, give me 1 second. We have to put a little bit of oil in the filter. So, yeah, got the camera here.
Okay.
And,
This is the new filter, all shiny and clean, unlike the old one. This, I guess this is garbage. Oops.
yeah, it was off. Yeah, she got it in. Yeah.
It's 9th three-pointer of the game already. It's
And let's put this drain plug back in first.
So we put oil in here, right?
A little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a little bit.
I missed.
I should have poured it. This is why the professionals do it, and this is why
This is an abusive relationship. You're witnessing
you
it.
don't have a suit yet.
Watch out.
Look, I can't really watch out because you're spilling it all over me. I'll put it on, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes. Because obviously some people can't be trusted with these
Just
difficult tasks.
before you put it on.
And now we put it on.
You sure you can do it?
Yes, I'm the professional.
You're doing better than me, so let's let me just put the oil.
Wait, how do I know what is going on? Ow! Oh, I see.
You see it? So you're gonna
To
put it
the
on. It
left,
should,
right?
yeah, you're gonna screw it on, and it should go on.
It's just lit in my eye.
Do you want glasses?
Yes, give me glasses. Is it on my face?
No.
Oh, God.
Clean them up.
Okay, but not in my mouth.
I didn't put it in your mouth. It's gonna get caught in your hair.
Oh, that's sharp.
All right.
This is the worst safety glasses.
Okay, and now we're insulting the equipment. It's sponsored
I
by.
do have more, but okay, we'll just make it work. Oh, okay.
You're gonna have some spilling because we put some oil in it.
Oh God, it's down my sleeve.
Get it on there nice and snug.
Okay. Oh, my legs are burning.
You literally wanted to do this. You want to switch spots?
I got it.
I'll come on once it gets snug and I'll tighten it.
How long do you have to twist for?
It's a while.
Okay. Oh, it's getting tight.
All right, let's switch.
Okay, it's pretty tight. Ouch. Okay. Oh, it just went all in my hair. Yep. Okay, that's great. All right. Okay.
You having fun?
Yes, I'm having a blast. Oh gosh. Okay.
It's dripping.
Yes. Yep. It's just everywhere.
It's funny, I have a haircut appointment.
Oh God. Wait. I think I just got this all over the camera. Okay. This is not good.
You know what? We need to get a rag to really tighten this.
And then we drop the car, then pour it in the front, right?
No, now you start the car. I'm kidding. Kidding.
What would happen? It would blow up.
Yeah. Be a very, very bad day. But it's under warranty, bumper to bumper.
Okay. So now we are going to lower it.
Oh, big fans out there. I don't know if they heard. Okay, let's see how much oil is in the catch can. I added this part of the catch can. So this is how much oil is in the catch can. Not a lot.
So now what do you do? Dump that out?
Yeah. I did such a horrible job pouring. Would you like to pour?
Yes.
Okay.
If Chip poured this, it would end up all over the place.
Get no oil in the car.
All over my hands, all over my feet.
All right.
All right, hold the camera as long as your hands aren't greasy.
Oh, they're not greasy. They're oily.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Alright, if you want to walk around, might be easier. I'll hand that to you. Let me roll. So now we're just gonna fill it up, put it back together, hopefully start it without any problems, and we should be on our way. That's him. That's Leroy. All right, so we're ready when you are. This is not edited in noise. Okay, so I just started the car, let it run for 15-20 seconds, and now we're just gonna check and make sure that the oil, that the oil level is good.
I think that's gonna drip
Yeah,
onto
it is
the
gonna
thing.
drip out. That the oil levels good. Grease makes this kind of hard, but it's doable, especially when you have a master mechanic breathing down your shoulder. So this one is a little hard to see, so what I do
Why
is
is it all bent?
They just keep coming. More questions. Why?
it's twisty, so I lay it on the light and then use that. So it was right in the middle, which is perfect, because yeah, the clear oil is hard to see. So again, just lay it down with a squeeze, and you can see where it is. You're gonna have some oil up the edges, but you just want to see where the main part is. And again, we did put 10 quarts in, so we're good, but it's good to check. All right. Also, when I started it, I looked at the fuel pressure gauge. I mean, not fuel pressure, oil pressure. And it was, there was pressure, so that means nothing fell out, hopefully.
That's good.
All right, now we're good to close this. And if Leroy wants to come around, show you how to reset the oil life thing. For the record, we do it earlier than others. We do it every 3,000. Okay? But better to be ahead. It's one of the cheapest things you can put in a car is oil and gas. So I'm going to take the camera from Leroy. So if we look, we're going to hit the gear button. It's going to bring up this screen. We're going to go down. I believe it's under advanced settings. It is. Vehicle. Oil life reset. Press and hold. Done. So now if we go to oil life reset, it's at 100%. So that's how you do it. And it's going to wrap up the Chip and Leroy video for today.
I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more professional Leroy mechanic videos.
Thank you, Leroy, for helping me
And yeah, you'll be
showing
able
me
to
today.
see more videos of Chip in training. So he's come a long way. I'm sure he'll eventually get one of these suits like Leroy. But for now, yeah, we're out.
All right, like and subscribe. And oil pressure. It's not at 0.